Greetings, beloved people. Once again, we're talking about Nisinuga Reflections, a channel that is focused on your well being, your mental health, your joy, to assist you in relationship management, understanding relationships better. Now, what are relationships? Relationships are social interactions between two or more people. And we have social relationships, we have family relationships, we have work related relationships, we have spiritual relationships with your fellow believers, and so many other relationships. And then relationships need to be maintained. And then there are some qualities, some attributes that are needed to maintain all these relationships. And all these are geared towards ensuring that your joy, your peace, your social well-being, your spiritual well-being, your psychological well-being, everything is on point. In general, just maintaining your good mental health, making sure your nervous system is on point. Even though we have stresses and challenges in life, so we have the counselor. Who is a counselor? The counselor is just a trained professional that assists individuals to understand themselves better, to to be able to understand their strengths and their weaknesses, like is done in management called the SWOT analysis. They know that there are challenges in life, but these challenges are part of well-being. There are things within our control, there are things outside our control. There are things that influence our life. So counseling helps you to focus on your strengths and the resources available to you, and how to make the best of those resources, to make the best out of what is available to you in your environment, so that you can get the best for yourself. Like we say in education, nobody is ineducable. That is, nobody is an absolute ignoramus that doesn't know anything. That's why in education there's something called entry point, entry behavior, and we talk about going from known to the unknown. So in counseling, we use heuristic rules. Those are idiomatic expressions, wise sayings, proverbs, and so many other materials that can help to make whatever we are discussing clearer to the client or to the counselee. So this is a channel that views things that happen in our environment, bring them to the fore, share them. Sometimes we use illustration stories, some case studies to make them explicit. Things that are germane to you, things that you can actually relate with. So you're welcome. So please subscribe to this channel so that we learn more together. A counselor is a learner, and one of the skills in counseling is active listening, and one of the ethics is confidentiality. So good communication. The outcome of the therapy or of the session depends on the rapport that is developed between the counselor and the counselee. Because the counselor is not clairvoyant, cannot know what's in your mind, can only feel that you are distressed or you challenge. But you are the one that be able to, through questions, getting feedback from you, be able to guide, for you to be able to explain, try to put into words things you have experienced, things you are experiencing, where the challenges are, and what can be done to help you out of that challenge. The counselor is not an advisor, but is like a guide that will help you to bring your thoughts to the fore, help you to identify your strengths, and now that you and the honor is on you to make the final decision yourself. The counselor will show you the two sides of the coin, because in life there are always two sides of the coin. Nothing is absolute in life. Nothing, I repeat, is absolute in life. Somebody that is terrible yesterday can be an angel today, and somebody was an angel yesterday can do something that you consider in quote terrible or absurd today. That because we are humans, life is dynamic. So counseling will help you to guide your thoughts so that you make the final decision depends on you. But we guide you to be able to make a well-informed decision, and you will be responsible for the outcome of that decision. If the counselor give you advice, if the thing doesn't turn out that the way you desire, you can say it's the counselor that decide that for you. But the counselor will show you two sides of the coin, that if you go this way, these are the things you are likely to experience. If you go this way, these are things you are likely to experience. So choose you. The final choice will be yours. So this one, both in the academic life, when you call career counseling, the counselor will not tell you this is the course you have to do. You are the one that knows your desires. You are the one that knows your passion. The old counselor, what is your passion in life? What is your goal? What are the things you desire most? What are the things you align with your vision for yourself? The counselor will guide you. And the counselor will not tell you go and study medicine, you go and study marketing, you go and study accounting. Now, they will look at your academic performance, your academic abilities, then look at them, then guide you accordingly. Then work areas, because in career it depends on what is good at. Then each job also have their own challenges and their prospects. So be able to guide you are going to be able to look at all those things. And when you come to marital affairs, relationships will guide you. The guy will show you this way. If you go this way, these are things you experience. So once again, you're welcome to Nisinuga Reflections. So this day we're talking about the counselor. Next, we talk about different types of relationships that we enjoy as humans. Then we also look at who are the eligibles. The singles and the eligibles, are they the same? Then we look at marriage. What is marriage? Why do people marry? That's the next topic we shall look at. Then after that, what is courtship? Is courtship necessary? How do I have a courtship program that will still help me to be able to maintain my sense of well-being, my sanity, my personal identity? We look at that. Then if you are still single, you are eligible, you have not yet got a partner, you're having a courtship with, then how can you strategically position yourself? What are the things you need? How can you make the best of this phase of life you are in now? So to be able to make a well-informed decision when the appropriate time presents itself. So we also look at that. So thank you once again for sharing this moment with me. Till we meet again tomorrow, please go and check out my channel, Nisinuga Reflections. God bless you. Thank you.